We have been remodeling this kitchen for well over a year now, and the reason why is because we want to take our time, we want to make it right. We spend the most time in our house in the kitchen. One of the things that we had to have was this awesome, huge island. We have 7 children. That means there are 9 people eating here at one time. This thing is 10 feet long, 40 inches wide. We wanted a nice butcher block in the middle of it, and we wanted granite tops on the side. The reason why is because you can put hot things on the side, and you can still have plenty of room in the middle to do vegetables and anything else that you possibly could do. Now, our family really does enjoy this, and we have been taking our time, but we cannot get this done without the awesome tools from Ryobi. Now, follow us because we are going to be doing many more projects as we finish up this kitchen.
There must be conscience, different things in different ways. There must be love, there must be a reason, and a little bit of faith has got to come my way. I was just a little girl when my mama used to say, requires work every day.